Okay, guys. Extremely out of breath. I don't want to start coughing, but okay. We just climbed this little hill, which is not a little hill. It's pretty steep. And we're not done climbing because we still have that much more to go.
Looks little,
but it looks little, and I don't want to die from my throat closing, but it could happen. You'll be witness to it until I upload it, but no, I'm not that mean. Okay.
Look at this tree hanging almost out of the ground.
Wow.
Both of them, actually.
Wow. That one's crazy.
Yeah.
I could easily just go boop.
Easily.
Keep us out of it.
Yeah.
Keep us away. Oh, wow, it's beautiful. You know?
Yep.
It really truly is. It's very mystical up here.
Yep.
Okay. Saw a young family walking down the hill. It was kind of cute. You know? I love when little kids see nature. But it's different. Do they actually pay attention to nature, do you think?
Maybe not.
What do you think? Or they just do what they're told? You know? I'm wondering who's peeking up the hill. If they actually are peeking. It's getting humid up here.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, I'm going to turn off. See if we can...
Yeah, let's make it up the hill.
Make it up the hill and then see if we don't die. Yeah. Alright, be out in 5. Okay, sorry, I'm a little out of breath, but
hawk,
that bird just flew over our head. And...
big bird.
It's definitely a hawk. Oh, it's so pretty.
Not an eagle, right?
No. No, it's definitely a hawk.
Okay.
Look at his beak.
Yeah. He's just scoping out something. There's
he saw something.
By. No, people walk by. It's right
I
there.
know, but he sees something that he wants.
That's funny.
He sees something that he wants.
Yeah, he does, because he was over here on a perch.
He was like, oh, dinner.
Right.
I need some foods.
Yeah.
It's so pretty, though.
It is. It's very comfortable.
Like, really comfortable up there in the... Okay. Oh, so pretty.
Is it blurry? No.
Well, I'm trying to zoom in, and I'm trying not to shake my hand.
Right.
And I'm trying to breathe at the same time.
I know.
We heard some weird noise over here.
Oh, you just left. He's going.
Oh.
Okay.
Well, that was nice of him. But we heard something over here making a weird... What did it sound like? No, I don't think it was a frog. It was definitely making a very weird noise, like burp, burp. That's it. You hear it? Like that. Except it's louder. It's that weird noise that Bowie didn't like when we made it on his tummy. What? Well, sure, but a lot of the people that live over here actually have them. Yeah, I see you. You're peeking out from behind the tree. I can you're not hiding anymore. So, wave. Go like this. Go like this. It's got to be a... Oh, wait. Maybe it's a quail. Alright. Well, I'll be back in about 2. I got to climb the hill. Okay, guys. Made it to the top of the hill. Had a little bit of a choking issue. I see somebody who's been following us along the way. They're making this weird noise, and I couldn't figure out what the hell it sounded like. But it sounded like what my mom... When we were away in Cancun, my parents came with us this one time. It was kind of funny, but... we go to this area that's called, you know, it's on the bay side of Cancun. And there's a lot of alligators, a lot. Like, if you ever go to Cancun, do not go on the bay side walking, because these alligators are there. But you make this weird noise, and you can actually call them to you. And it sounds like, and that's what I heard in the woods. And I couldn't remember, like I remember hearing it before. And I thought maybe it was a quail or some sort of weird bird. But Brett and I were just chit-chatting up here. And all of a sudden, I saw some branches just randomly kind of swaying. So someone's flanking me over here, and he's peeking through. But I hear some loud people walking, because of course people can't just be quiet in the woods and serene and quiet. And my machine's calm, so they're at a far enough distance. But I think they're just inquisitive of who's in here, who's hanging out. So I can't wait to check out this video and see who's been intermittently peeking through. They're definitely darker. And my bud Wade, man, I'm thanking him to the deepest for everybody. NMB, Northern Michigan Bigfoot. My girl Katie, who reached out. Deborah, love her. My witchy.
She
Hey.
mean or no?
Yeah, I am. Just to my YouTube channel, that's all. So reaching out to my friends, Deborah, and I know I'm missing somebody, Miss Sharon. So thank you so much for all your prayers. I'm feeling a little bit better. I can just tell you that. At least I got out of the house today and I was able to videotape. But as you can tell, people just come up and they're all around us. So I'll be back in 2 again. Okay, everyone, we're on the latter half of our walk. We're getting old tired. And this is the area where we actually did skimming of the rocks with the boys, with my nephews. And this is, we were teaching them how to skip the rocks across the water. And there was ducks over here, and it was just really, really pretty. And you can, it's so cool because you can actually see the, you know, the bottom and see what's in it. And we were actually able to see fish. But it's amazing in here because it's really pretty.
Yeah.
And Brett had asked, how long do you think it would take for the, you know, the branches and everything to start perking back up? I said, probably in about 3 weeks they'll start coming back up, because it's not like they got killed, it's just that they got knocked over. Right. And the road is completely washed out, what we just walked through. So it'll probably never get fixed, because this is the last place that they're going to want to fix stuff. So everything will just get, you know, continuously grown up, grown over, and people will just walk around it and figure it out.
Yeah.
But these are some massive, massive trees. Talk about an environment that's very safe, secluded, and they've got a rich supply of deer and other animals. They could be definitely in here looking at them. Like, look at this hillside. That's me. I'm calling gators. Wow, what's that?
Birdhouse.
Aw.
Yeah.
Stuff got knocked over.
Yep. Imagine how raging that water was.
Imagine this tree falling down. See this tree? That is a scary one.
Yeah.
And it's growing in the opposite direction, but it looks like it could fall down the hill. Look at it, the root base.
Oh, yeah.
You can't even imagine how big these trees are. It's like, if my arm even came up to close to it, probably would be only touch like not even a quarter of it. not even an eighth. Oh, hear that water?
Mm-hmm.
Rustling water and old bladders do not mix. Oh, so beautifully secluded.
Yes, it's a nice day. Meaning,
These benches are new, aren't they?
yeah, I don't remember saying them.
Ooh, look at this tree.
Wow.
Wow. Very cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so this gives you an idea of how big these trees are. This is just a speck of them. Look at this. Like, wow. They're so massive. So, when these suckers fall, they fall. Now, I was mentioning to Brett earlier, which is weird, that I haven't seen any arches in this section of the area at all. Like nothing. Just not an arch. It's very quiet here though.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Very quiet.
It's very soothing, peaceful.
Ooh, like that app.
Yeah.
Isn't there that app that's called Calm? You keep seeing commercials for it.
Yeah.
And it's like you hear rustling water and you hear like birds chirping. Could that really truly calm you down? I think just coming into the woods is enough to calm you down. Alright, we're going to pause for 2 seconds because we've got people coming. Resuming. Alright, just resumed. I put it on pause because we had some people passing us and I don't like to film strangers without permission and having them up on top of us. Alright, so just taking it all in.
That's amazing, yeah.
Oh, see, that's that bridge, the trestle bridge.
Oh, yeah.
See that?
That's
Oh, wait, you probably can't see it. Alright, so across the creek, there's this bridge that actually is really pretty. And at one point, remember, you couldn't see past it because all of this would be overgrown in this area right in front of us. So that was all overgrown and most of this is just washed out. So now it's not overgrown and it's all washed out. So hold on, let me just take a... I forgot my little GoPro thing to put on the back of my head. Do you hear something?
I heard something there.
Oh yeah. I'm telling you, I hear, it sounds like something's like stepping. Like, am I crazy?
Nope.
But then it stops. And then as soon as we start stepping, it keeps moving. Okay, unzoom. And let's see what we can get. Now I know I'm going to have a poor angle when it comes to what you guys can see. Because I'm doing the best that I can, just walking and holding my cell phone, which is awkward. You don't realize it. This is the path.
Oh,
This is the path and the trail that we took with the boys. And this is where Gavin saw the footprint up there. Ooh, that's a big footprint. Look at that one. You see that?
Yep,
That's a big dog.
That's no way a dog. That looks like a bear.
Well, that's big print. And it's a big foot. Yeah. Or a big toes.
Where are we? Which point? That one right there? Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Making sure.
I'm seeing toes.
Oh yeah, that is huge. That'll be a big dog. Ooh.
That's huge. Do you see that, guys? I'm not crazy. Hold on. I'm pointing at the wrong thing. Now, I see little dog prints, but this is significant that it's, like, very uniform. Now, I see a footprint through a print, which is kind of odd. But, and remember, there's no dogs on this path allowed. I mean, people can sit on the bench, but it's, like, broke up. And if I was a dog owner, sure as shit, my dog is not walking in the mud.
No.
No, not going to happen. I think it's raining.
It is.
Oh, there goes a little chipmunk. I saw him running. Maybe that's what we keep hearing. No, I didn't hear chipmunk. Oh, there goes more chipmunks. They're running like a bat out of hell. You see him? He's right there. He's like a bitty chipmunk. Did you hear that? This is the path that Gavin saw the footprint up on that hill. Something's causing a ruckus up there on that hill. You hear it? Hopefully I captured it, but it's something's like running around up there. And it just made the chipmunks come flying down over the hill. Like, run across the path. Okay. Zooming out. This area is very, very open, so I don't think I'm going to get too much in this.
Okay.
Ooh. Look at that tree. Wow.
Oh, yeah.
You see it? It's like a jungle gym.
The one, the light colored one?
Yeah, the light one that's got the heart. It looks like it's kind of dead. Or it's like, yeah, it looks like fingers. It's got hardly any bark on it. It's like the bark has been stripped away or ripped away. Alright, so we're going to have to do a mass exodus out up the hill. Check this out. Check this out. This is not a solid path. It's like up a hill.
Love the hills.
Love the hills. We have literally gone up so many hills. I hear humans.
Yeah, they're going over that bridge.
Oh, they're over the traffic.
No, I guess they're going over it.
The water's too strong to go fishing. The fish aren't even in the water right now. Look at that tree. Look at it. I hear you in there. I do. I hear you. Yep.
That's right. We gotta take a ride to the other place on the way back, I guess, huh? Oh, no, we don't. That's right. We should be bringing stuff.
He's right by that tree. Not that tree. By that tree. He keeps peeking in and out. He's tucked in. Yeah, I see you now. I'm zoomed in a little bit, but not a lot. Boy, are they stealthy. Yeah. I don't mean to be swaying, guys, but it's whenever you zoom in, that's what happens. It's kind of like, even with the motion detector thing on, or stabilization. Oh, I saw him move. Did you? Oh, I hope you guys saw that.
Oh, let me stay here. So, where are we focused on?
It's not the dead tree, but in the darkness of the bushes and tree right there.
Where the hole?
Yeah, kind of.
I think I see it too.
He's trying to be super, super not move. And then he moved his arm. He's not big either. It's like he's sitting in the tree. Alright, I'm going to see if I can zoom out to see if I can get it bigger. Okay, so. It's hard to explain, but I don't think you're going to be able to see him with the naked eye.
No, okay.
Mm-mm.
I might not be looking at the same spot.
In the darkness up there at the tippy top.
Oh, that's the hill.
No, in
That's
the tree
hill we
line.
walked up, right?
Yes, yeah.
In the beginning,
Yeah. You were up on the other side.
Yeah, it looks like he's already.
Yeah. Alright, I'm going to go out right now and then see if I can actually feel him, sense him. Okay, guys, be back in a little.